Have you ever considered why preserving historical buildings is so important? Why societies around the globe are adamant about maintaining these structures from eras gone by? Well, it's about more than just aesthetics. It's about preserving stories, memories, and lessons from our past. And today we delve into one such story of the 1930s historic school in New Kent. This school isn't just a structure of bricks and mortar. It's a testament to our history, a symbol of a significant turning point in the struggle for equality. In the year 1968, this school became a focal point in the desegregation case of Green v. County School Board of New Kent, a landmark case that brought us one step closer to a more equitable society. Fast forward to the present day, and this very school is in the midst of a controversy. Plans were afoot to transform this piece of history into a community center and library. The idea was to create a space where the community could gather, learn, and grow together. The proposal included provisions for community classrooms, a library, and even a performing arts component. However, these plans have hit a roadblock due to budgetary concerns. Now, the Board of Supervisors is considering repurposing the space to meet the county government's needs, prioritizing the need for office space over a new administration building. The school's gym might be the only part serving community purposes. Simultaneously, a separate proposal for a community center in Warani is being reviewed in an attempt to reduce a proposed real estate tax hike. The school finds itself in a state of limbo, with its historical significance adding complexity to the decision-making process. To sum up, the renovation project for the historic school is currently on hold, largely due to budgetary concerns. The Board of Supervisors is now considering alternate uses for the space, with a focus on meeting county government needs. Meanwhile, the community waits, hoping that this historical building won't lose its essence in the process. This story is a reminder of the delicate balance societies must maintain between progress and preservation of the past. It's a story that continues to unfold, and we can only hope that it concludes in a way that honors the school's historical significance. After all, these buildings are more than just structures. They're silent storytellers of our shared history. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to the channel.